Most popular programming languages 2023. Programming languages are the lifeblood of the digital world, and every programmer has to make sure they keep up with the ever-evolving trends. In 2023, new programming languages and frameworks will continue to emerge as technology advances. To be successful as a programmer, you need to know which language will be the most popular and beneficial so that you can stay up to date on the latest trends. Which programming language to choose first? As technology continues to evolve, it is important for programmers to understand which programming language will be the most sought after in 2023. With so many new languages emerging every year, it can be difficult to choose which ones to focus on. Fortunately, this guide will provide an overview of the top programming languages that are expected to be in demand in 2023. From there, you'll have a better understanding of which language you should choose and what skills you should focus on developing for success in 2021 and beyond. With the ever-evolving nature of technology, programming languages also keep changing and modernizing. In 2023, the most popular programming languages will be JavaScript, Python, Java, Go, Rust, and C. These languages have been around for quite a few years now and have proven to be versatile and reliable for different types of tasks. All these languages come with their own sets of advantages and disadvantages that can help you decide which one is best suited for your project. To answer which language to choose first, you should first think in which area of IT you want to work. 1. Website development. 2. Software and various automation. 3. Game development. 4. Creation of artificial intelligence. 5. Data processing. 6. Mobile apps. Areas of activity of programming languages. Python is used for the functional part of the site. Various logical solutions are written on it so that the site can function and process requests. JavaScript, usually used to add pop-up menus to the site and other objects with which the user interacts without reloading the site page. In game development, your choice will depend on the platform. For Android, you can use Java, Python. For iOS, the Swift programming language is used. Python is a good language for AI development. The language is light, comfortable, and multifunctional.
Subscribe to our channel and watch as we take over the world.